Welcome to our today's session. Today we are going to do practice on essay writing. Before going to start your work on essay writing, whatever it may be the task you selected as for your passion, here I would like to ask you few more points. And apart from that, you have to recall your previous knowledge. What is there here? Types of essays you have seen, characteristics you have seen, tense shifting in usage of the paragraphs, that also you practice. By using this particular knowledge, now you are going to start to write your essay, and you see in brief and recall your memory to check your points. Now can you define an essay? When you are ready to define an essay in the literary form, the essay is a literary genre that is characterized by allowing a deep and developed a certain subject in a free and personal way. People often write essays to express some opinion or idea and without having to worry about adhering to a rigid drafting structure or documenting it comprehensively. Although it is very difficult to describe all the characteristics of an essay as an essentially free literary genre, and we can summarize its main characters in the following list. And what are the main characters to keep in an essay, or to say something that particular paragraph or point or essay is a good? To make it confirmation here, I would like to share with you a few more points related to an essay. An essay must contain the thematic freedom. It must have personal or friendly writing style, and you can include quotations or references. Its extension depends on the author, generally aimed at a wide audience. And now coming to the part of structure. In a structure, what we learned in the previous sessions, in this particular structure, we have three parts of the essay: introduction, body, and conclusion. In an introduction, we can add and we can present the theme and the way in which it will be approached by the author. And the development means that is a body. It must may have a few more paragraphs, and it is the main content and it contains the arguments of the theme. And the last one is the conclusion, a final part to summarize what the essayist wanted to convey with his work. And now you see what is an essay finally. So finally the essay is a literary genre that is characterized by a law to develop a certain subject in a free and personal way. People often write essays to express some opinion or idea, and what without having a worry about adhering to a rigid drafting. And then we can see the structure and documenting it comprehensively. So now you see the types of essays. And here already we discussed the types of essays. The first one is a narrative essay, descriptive essay, expository essay, reflective essay, and imaginative essay, and argumentative essay. Now you see what is an expository essay. It is a specific kind of essay that involves investigating an idea, evaluating the evidence, presenting the idea, the supporting the presentation with an argument. Expository essays are usually written through comparison and contrast, definition, like with examples and analysis of cause and effect. Descriptive essay is exactly what it sounds like. In this type of essay, you will be asked to describe something. Unlike the expository essay, this type of essay allows for much more artistic freedom, as the main idea is to create an image in the reader's mind. Now here, narrative essay. A narrative essay usually involves the telling of some kind of story. There are two common types of narrative essays. Here, short stories and book reports. If your narrative essay is going to be more of story, you might want to consider a creative writing class. And next one is a persuasive writing. A persuasive essay is also known as an argumentative essay. This type of essay will be similar to an expository essay in that you will be exploring a topic and collecting and evaluating evidence. However, unlike an expository essay, you will be taking a stand for or against this type. Now, after watching all these slides, you are going to start to write your own essay. Suppose if you are in IT department, you can write an essay on information in IT or information technology. Now your topic is on information systems as an efficient method. On that you are going to start or write your essay. See, the first one is introduction, second one is a body, last one is the conclusion. So in what way the particular paragraphs are going to be structured, that you have to observe whether it is clear as per our norms or not. Or if you find all the characteristic features, then you can label this particular essay as a good essay. In this essay, you can see four paragraphs. The first paragraph is introduction. Here the topic sentence what I have selected, see, information systems and technologies have changed the way of the life existing organizations operate. Through its use, important improvements are achieved as they mechanize operational procedures, providing a speed of information necessary for the decision making, and we also create more competitiveness in the market. In this century, we find many technological advances that allow these information systems to advance due to the man's need to carry out their process within the organization. These systems are characterized by being very important when establishing an organization. But this is where a very necessary question arises. Are these information systems useful for the best performance of public accounting? If we look at the environment in which we find ourselves, this question. So, we have the first paragraph that it is introduction. In that, all the points are logically and sequenced and connected to one to another one. So, thank you. In the next class, we can see one more practice session.